this is Wendy Meads from Smiles and Swirls. I'm going to show you how to make your own stamps out of pieces of foam. I got this from the dollar store, so you can get a whole pack of them that are all different sizes, and doesn't need to be very thick. It's just simple foam. And we're going to make something like this. So I'm going to show you how to do that. So to start, we're going to take a piece of foam. Now I've already drawn on that one, so I'm going to take another one. Now it's going to be hard to see what I'm drawing on the foam, but just to give you an idea, I'm going to draw two leaves that are sort of bigger on this one. So I'm going to do, so what I'm using is a pretty sharp pencil, and I'm pressing pretty hard. And I'm going to draw curve, and then another curve like that, and I'm going to draw a stem in the center, and then just like that. You can really draw anything in your foam. You can adapt this for anything. And I'm going to do another one over here. There we go. And you can see I'm pressing really hard because you want the paint to go in those grooves. Okay, and then I'm just going to do another one that's smaller, a few smaller ones just for interest. I'm doing them all the same. Like that. I feel like I didn't press very hard on this one. If you can't see it going sort of into the foam, then you need to press harder. But don't press so hard that it goes all the way through. You have to experiment a little bit. Maybe one more little one. Okay, so there's my easy foam stamps. So now I'm going to take my brayer, or rolly brush as my kids call it. Mine's a little squeaky, I apologize. It's been well loved and well used. And I have my foam stamp. I put it inside of a plate. I find it easier because it gets quite messy when you do the rolling. And I've got some green and yellow and white. I find when you have a mix of colors like this, it makes it more interesting. So I'm going to take a little bit of the green, a little bit of yellow, and a little bit of white, and then I'm going to roll it. Look at those beautiful colors. Okay, and then I'm going to roll it over my stamp. Okay, and then I'm just going to stamp it down. And I'm going to press really hard. Okay, let's see. Oh, that turned out really well. It's really pretty. I love seeing what's going to happen. Okay, now we're going to do a little bit more rolling in the paint, rolling on our stamp. Press it down. And some people use like a clean brayer to roll over, or they use like a ruler to press down, but I find it's when you have this thin foam like this that I can just use my fingers. Ta-da! Very pretty. Okay, let's do the smaller ones now. I'm just going to show you how you can use a brush instead. So if you don't have a brayer, like you can get these at a craft store, or you can get the foam ones from the dollar store. Super easy. Just going to take some paint, put it over there. This is a little lighter, so I'm going to add some little bit of darker green. There we go. Just going to stamp that down. Pretty. Maybe I'll do one more over here. My paintbrush. See, it works just as well with a paintbrush. It's just fun to use the rolly brush. And sometimes with the rolly brush you get more variety in colors and stuff. But just use what you have in the house. There we go. And you can draw all different kinds of leaves too. That one turned out pretty. I'm just gonna, just for interest, I'm just gonna use this for a little bit of stamping on the outside. Oh wow, that's turning out pretty actually. It's making some cool patterns. And that's all. We could leave it like that. Actually, I'm going to do one more little one in the center here. And use my brayer this time. I'm just going to put it right there. Sometimes it's fun to overlap. Makes it more interesting. Ready? Here we go. That's so pretty. So there you go. You can see all the pretty patterns in there. And you can see how you can use this for really anything. You can draw anything in foam and make your own stamps. Just remember to press super hard and use thinner foam, I find is easier. Anyways, I hope you enjoyed this project. Please subscribe, like, and I love to hear your comments and see your creations. Bye.